Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗵𝗿𝗀 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price closed below $2300 level, indicating continuation of the bearish trend. Expectation leads toward further decline in the upcoming trading session, supported by negative pressure from middle Bollinger Band for the downside target till $22.75 and $22.50 near term. On the other hand, a breach above $23.35 could signal a reversal and attempt to regain its bullish trend. MCX gold price had formed head and shoulder chart pattern along with price holding near to its key trendline support indicates short-term trend is bearish. However, any break below 70,850 level, which acts as a key support, will drag the price further down till 70,500 and 70,150 level in near term. On the upside, key resistance hold at 71,650 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.